Pennsylvania, of all places, for gators.
They're
but
everywhere.
yeah, okay, let's go ahead and talk about the high temperatures this month. And again, we were cooler than expected today, folks. That is thanks to the rain that we saw this morning. Of course, April 2023 in Tyler, we've kind of seen both extremes, cooler, warmer than normal. Of course, that's what these reds above normal and greens below normal indicate here. And today we were below normal, which is about 77 degrees for this time of year. Now, here is the sky view in Tyler. Not a lot going on, but I do want to show you the temp. It's now down to 67 degrees. Folks, I only have our temperature falling about 5 more degrees tonight because we're just a little more humid than what we were last night. The remainder of the region's looking pretty good. Lower 60s to our northeast, 65 in Lufkin, 65 in Nacogdoches. One of the warmer spots is Sulphur Springs at 67. Not a lot of wind. About 5 to 10 miles per hour, but those will pick up after midnight, and dew points are in the upper 50s and lower 60s. To draw a comparison, we were in the upper 40s and lower 50s last night. That's part of the reason why we're not going to get quite as cool. Speaking of which, we're down to about 62, a few passing clouds, relatively mild for this time of year. Satellite and radar, there's your dry line. Cold fronts to the northwest and warm front is off to the north. That has ushered in a little more Gulf moisture, and that Gulf moisture over the next couple of days will continue to increase, and that will lead us to our next threat of severe weather. So let's walk you through tomorrow, because I do want you to be prepared for the possibility of rain, as you should have been today, because we do have a chance of rain. It's a small chance, but it is still nonetheless a chance of rain. Cloudy skies to start out tomorrow morning. This is about 8 o'clock, and then as we move throughout the day, rain chances, I think the better chance of a shower or storm will be out to our west, but we're still keeping the clouds in the forecast through tomorrow afternoon, and then we should be dry by the time we get into Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. Now, as we head into your Thursday, about 10, 11 o'clock, we'll start to see some showers in the area, becoming a little more strong and robust as we head into about 5, 6 o'clock. And these are some mean-looking storms showing up on Futurecast. You can see that right across our central counties. So this is something we're going to have to keep a close eye on, because we could see some wind, we could see some hail, and it's possible that we could have a couple tornado warnings that we'd have to go on the air for. So keep in mind that Thursday evening does look a little rocky for us. We continue to see those storm chances. The front is going to move through on Friday, and that will be giving us an additional chance of showers and thunderstorms. That being said, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a slight risk of severe weather. This includes all of East Texas. But folks, given the model data that we've seen tonight, I would not be surprised at all if we did see this upgraded to an enhanced risk of severe weather. But even after Thursday, we're not out of the woods yet. Friday's severe weather threat does shift a little further off to the south. You can see highlighted in that slight risk does include places like Nacogdoches and Lufkin, and then areas all the way to the Texas and Louisiana Gulf Coast here. So we'll definitely have to watch out for Friday as well as Thursday. So here are the next 7 days. Isolated showers possible Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday. We're still tracking those possible severe thunderstorms. I think for East Texas, the higher threat is going to be for you guys on Thursday, but nonetheless to the south of Tyler, Longview, and Jacksonville on Friday, we do have an additional threat of severe weather. 60s and 70s this weekend. We should be dealing with plenty of sunshine. That would be followed by additional chances of some isolated showers both Monday and Tuesday of next week. Deep East Texas, similar deal, Thursday and Friday. Tracking those storm chances, highs in the 80s. Much cooler Saturday and Sunday, which, Neil, I'm sure you will enjoy.
I keep